Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Decorating trees in your garden can add a whimsical and enchanting touch to your outdoor space. Here are some creative garden tree decoration ideas. Tree lights. String fairy lights are LED lights on the branches of your garden tree. They create a magical ambience in the evening. Wind chimes. Hang wind chimes from the branches. The gentle sounds of the chimes add a soothing and calming effect to your garden. Birdhouses. Install birdhouses on the tree to attract birds to your garden. You can paint them in vibrant color to add visual appeal. Tree swings. A classic choice for kids and adults alike, a tree swing provides a fun and nostalgic element to your garden. Hammock. If you have a sturdy tree, consider hanging a hammock for a comfortable and relaxing spot to read or nap. Tree art. Decorate your tree with artwork or sculptures. For example, you can hang painted wooden signs, mosaic tiles, or metal art pieces. Tree planters. Use the tree as a natural spot for hanging planters or flower pots. This adds a burst of color to the tree and your garden. Tree carvings. If you have a dead or removable tree stumps, consider having it carved into a sculpture or totem pole. Tree tents. For a unique and adventurous touch, consider setting up a tree tent or hammock style tent in your tree. Tree ladder. Place a decorative ladder against the tree and use it to hang potted plants, lanterns, or garden tools. Tree murals. Paint a mural or design on the tree trunk, transforming it into a work of art. Tree shelving. Install wooden or metal shelves on the tree for displaying potted plants, books, or decorative items. Tree pathways. Create a magical pathway through your garden by planting flowers or leaving the ground or lining the ground with stepping stones under the tree canopy. Tree's trunk seating. Wrap the base of the tree trunk with the circular bench or sitting area to make it a gathering spot. Reflective ornaments. Hang reflective ornaments or crystals on the tree to catch and reflect sunlight in a dazzling manner. Seasonal decor. Change the tree decorations with the seasons. Hang seasonal ornaments for holidays such as Christmas lights or Easter eggs. Tree tagging. Attach small chalkboards or hanging tags to the branches for family and friends to leave messages or notes. Remember to consider the type and size of your tree as well as your climate when choosing decorations. Ensure that any decorations or structures you install are safe and do not harm the tree. Always respect the natural beauty of your garden tree when decorating it.